We have a surprise for you guys.
Oh. What's going on, guys? DudeBrd here, back with another video. Today's a very interesting story. This is Lizzy. Hi, Lizzy.
Guys.
So she is another vlogger, a Spanish vlogger from Houston. Hey, H-Town Vlogs. So we're plotting something, right? What are we plotting?
We have a surprise for you guys.
Oh, what is the
awesome.
surprise?
That's classified.
Oh,
Waiting for you guys.
we came to Starbucks. So what did you think?
About what?
About our...
That's classified.
I'm so excited.
Yeah, we're done. This is not my girlfriend.
Gay!
Right?
No.
You're out!
It's recording.
Oh my god.
No, show me how you vlog.
Well, I don't know. I usually be like, hola chavos, ¿cómo están? Aquí estoy con mi amigo. I usually speak Spanish.
Clickbait.
And we
Come on.
What's up, man?
Hi, Andrew. You ready? Excited to build your first PC?
Yeah, I guess.
Oh, did that dude BRD put his work?
Yeah, he's alright.
Oh. Oh, he already started without me.
Did a little bit by myself.
Oh, how was it?
It's alright. It's not that too bad. I just watched a lot of YouTube videos. Too bad.
You excited?
Yeah, I'm excited, man. I've been waiting for this for a while.
Of
but
course.
the thing is, I forgot though.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh, look at this. Damn it, Andrew.
I know.
No.
I just I opened the box a little more. I'm like, oh, what's this? I was like, oh shit, I forgot the plate.
So we ran into some trouble, lots of trouble. It wasn't posting, the motherboard was not posting. So we thought originally it was a power supply, but then we switched the power supply and that didn't turn out to be it. We thought it was the case, maybe it had a messed up power button. So then we started jump starting the motherboard, and that's when we realized that the motherboard wasn't posting even if we tried to jump start it. So what we did, we exchanged the motherboard, and now look at that beast. How do you feel, Andrew?
I feel better. That fucking works, dude. Damn. It took us so long just trying to figure out the problem. That was not that fun.
Called Red Circle Ice Cream. Shout out to Mimi. She put me on this game. Wow. What'd you get?
milk and cereal.
Milk and cereal. All right.
My nails aren't done.
Andrew. Do it for the views, Andrew. Just do it. Oh yeah. That's some bromance right there.
I feel so ashamed of myself. It's like zoomed in. Call me out.
That one was done by Andrew. He's a little shy. It's okay. It's okay. You'll be fine. After this, I'm just gonna go home. Oh, we have to do some more stuff to this PC, but thank you so much for watching this episode of H-Town Vlogs. Please give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.
Cause I can't take it no more. No, you ain't like them bitches. Tell them ones audio.
I really like it. How do you know if it's recording you and me? It is, right?
It is. It should.
Well, I'm too close. I'm sorry.
Nah, you good. Clickbait.